Nishitha and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day as an Indian student studying abroad. I've not still thought about the title, but something on these lines. So this is something that I personally love watching on YouTube, so I thought why not do it? And like you can see already, I've literally just woken up. Time to chug in some water and green tea. Let's go. Have green tea here, water bottle here, it's so windy, and a book here. So I've recently started reading this. I want to get into the habit of reading again. So this book is great because it's like, little chapters for every single day. So it's kind of easy to, get on to reading again if you have stopped it. So yeah, I'm just gonna have some me time and then I'll see you in a bit. While I sip my tea, I wanted to talk to you guys about something really interesting, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of creative and inspiring classes. Now, if you're somebody who's looking to learn something new, Skillshare is literally the place for you guys. They have some amazing lessons in creative writing, photography, plans, self-care, and a lot more. All their classes are literally under 60 minutes and you can choose your own class according to your schedule. Skillshare includes a combination of video lessons and a class project, and I recently took a class on real productivity, ways to build habits that last by Thomas Frank, and oh my god, I was so impressed by the way the class was taught, and also the content was utterly clear and concise. With this entire pandemic going on, all of us are in a rut and our productivity has definitely taken a toll. At least mine has. But this, has taught me ways in which I can pull myself up, and I highly recommend this class for you guys. And I also have an offer for you guys. The first 1,000 subscribers who get to click the link in the description box can enjoy a 1-month free trial. I am going to make some breakfast now. I'm not really a breakfast person, but because I've started to work out, I kind of make sure that I'm having 3 meals at least every single day because the workout is killer, dude. So I'm kind of feeling lazy, so I might just make a smoothie because that is so easy, filling, and yum. Paneer bhurji with rice. is ready, looks so yummy. I'm just waiting for the rice to finish cooking, and just because I live alone, the portion is a little tricky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to store some paneer bhurji so that I can use it up for the next day's lunch or dinner, or I can just like, you know, make a sandwich out of it for breakfast tomorrow. I don't know, let's see. But yeah, time to transfer some paneer. So it's time for my workout, and I usually fuel myself up before a workout, and today we have this, which is the perfect bar. This is the first ever time that I'm trying this, but I've heard like a lot of good reviews, so let's do a taste test together.